What's up, guys? We are back. Animal Company supposedly fixed everything. Everything. I mean, everything. So we're gonna see if they fixed everything, and then we're gonna go check out the new spider. Because I forgot to do that yesterday. If you go here, then ignore that. But you go here, but arachnophobia mode, I want to go check that out. Because I was kind of scared of the spiders, but I'm not anymore. When I first started the game, I started when mines first ever came out, back in the old map. But, yeah. We're going to go check it out after we go check on Tech Tree. And make sure everything's okay in there. Because I know it was broken last night. So here we go. Let's get into the video. Oh, wait. Grappler's better. The thing where Animal Company is just... I mean, I get a grappler shouldn't be able to grapple through into metal. But, like... Yo, they fixed it. Wait. I can actually buy this now. This works now, too. Okay. Well, it looks like they fixed that issue. Alright, let's go check on the new spider. The new spider. The new spider. Okay, let's go to this. Turn that on. So, let's see. I do want to do a little mining in there. Oh, glow stick. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go find spider. Bro, it's been forever since I've been in here. Like, literally forever. Hold on, let me tighten up my headset. Oh, crap. Okay. So, would spider be down here? Would spider be down here? Oh, here we go. Where's spider? Oh, spider web. Okay. Whoa, what the frick? What the flip? Yo! What is that thing? Yo! Hey! Thing's more scary. Bro, what? That thing's scary, bro. That's more scary in my opinion. It's just a floating face now. With tracking eyeballs. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh! Okay. Let's try to... go mining. Bruh. Stuck. Okay. Dead end. Oh, I think I'll see y'all when I find a lava map. I'll see y'all when I find lava map. See ya there. Oh. Here's another one. Dude! It's so much more scary! Just in my opinion, bro, it's just way scarier. Way, way scarier. Frick! That's just way scarier. Alright, let's go find lava map. See y'all there. Well, I died from the spider. That stinky little face of itself. I died from it. Yeah, I died from it. So, turn that off. So, that's going to be it for this video. I'm probably going to go play in a war code after this and spend all my money. Well, not all of it because mods and stuff are patched. So, I can't go into money codes anymore and get money to do war codes. But, yeah. This is going to be it for this video. I checked out the spider update. That's basically it. See y'all in the next one. Bye.